Meet the parrotfish, a vibrant jewel of the ocean. These fascinating fish are known for their beak-like teeth, perfect for scraping algae off rocks. Parrotfish play a crucial role in maintaining healthy reefs. They help control algae growth, allowing corals to thrive. Interestingly, parrotfish can change gender during their lifetime. This adaptability helps maintain their populations. Parrotfish also produce sand as they digest coral. This sand contributes to beautiful beaches worldwide. Sadly, parrotfish populations are threatened by overfishing. Protecting them is vital for ocean health. Like and subscribe for more interesting facts. Support sustainable practices to ensure their survival. Let's cherish these incredible fish and their habitats.